there, it's Alice from Aliexpress Studios. I'm just doing a couple of video series because I'm working on a project at the moment, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to do some reviews and builds of some armature kits of varying costs. And we're going to start with this guy. So this is a low budget armature from Aliexpress. You can get them as cheap as £27. They do get a bit more expensive higher up the size of the model that you go, but they're quite a budget friendly way of getting a semi-sturdy model in your hands. So this comes with super glue to join them together, but what we're also going to look at in this video is doing some silver soldering. So you can just super glue your balls together. I mean, that sounds painful, maybe don't do that, but you can super glue the joints together, but as you might find over time, as you're moving your puppet around doing all kinds of mad gymnastics, oh my god, and as you can imagine, if that happens when it's all covered in stuff, it's not going to be great, is it? You're going to have to pull your puppet apart and find the bit. You know, you might end up doing some damage. So when you're building your little skeleton, it's good to try and keep things as solid as possible. So when you're doing, like, he's gonna bowl ready for some guy. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So yeah, we're gonna look at silver soldering. We'll look at how easy this guy was to build. He was not too bad. Like I say, he's not as advanced as some of the other kits that you can get, but we'll go through some better kits as well. This is just a really budget friendly one. Yeah, because it's good to look at things for all budgets, and you don't always need a big, like, £200–300 model for, you know, a little tiny project you're doing that just for fun maybe. But yeah, okay. Oh, the ghosts are back. Yeah, let's roll VT. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. I just thought it'd be good to add that this kit, I have built this before and then I took it apart because of the problems I spoke about earlier. And I also realised that the proportions were a bit off for what I wanted. So he's going to be a werewolf. So full disclosure, I've swapped out, made his shins longer, and then I also added an extra piece here on his arms. So, and this is a handmade, well, Frankenstein some bits together to make, this is going to be his hand. I'm going to take this off and set maybe a silicone hand around it, but I'll do another video on that when I get to that. So, but it's pretty much the same kit that you get off Aliexpress. So, oh, I think I made his torso longer as well. Yeah, that's the joy of it. You can buy like extra bits and you can turn it into what you want. It's just a good little starter kit that's cheap and effective. But yeah, okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.